Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be sharing you a pelvic floor and also core engagement workout routine that it will take you 5 to 10 minutes to complete. If you're in your week 5 to 6 on, this exercise routine is where it will be very good for you so you can start building some strength after giving birth. For this exercise routine, we're going to be needing a bowl. If you don't have a bowl, don't worry, it's fine. I'm also going to show you alternative exercise in case you don't have some equipment. We will need a bowl, and if you have any dumbbells or kettlebells, will be fine. Either of those two will be perfect for this workout routine. We're going to be doing 5 exercises in total. We're going to complete each exercise back to back, and we're going to repeat each exercise 12 times. Once we have complete one round, then we're going to rest 1 minute, and we're going to continue with the second round, the same exercise. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and enjoy your workout routine. Let's get into it.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. I just sent a message saying get me from the front. He came out to see me, he was confused. That's when I realized that he wasn't shit. You would dummy loving Tatiana. Only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator on it. Run it, yeah. You tried it, got me messed up. You tried it. She ain't even me. You tried it. She can never be. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Almost bought a rollie with a diamond. Almost got you the new G-Wagon. Got me messed up. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried. I'm so mad that I hit on my ex, man. He told me to pull up, I said yes, man. Storming out the house like I'm an ex, man. This is how you rebound off the glass, damn. I just feel like Jordan, I was 23 calls. Then I paused and told that loser you should get lost. You should get the message, I'm gone. That's when he found out that I am the shit. You would dummy loving Tatiana. Only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator on it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Got me messed up. You tried it. She ain't even me. You tried it. She can never be. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Almost bought a rollie with a diamond. Almost got you the new G-Wagon. Got me messed up. You tried it. Swear to God, I thought I turned my phone off. When we get to touching, I hear. I think he's offended when it goes off. I just roll it backward and I doze off. You would dummy loving Tatiana. How you play me for a fake hoe? Run it, yeah. You tried it. Got me messed up. You tried it. She ain't even me. You tried it. She can never be. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Almost bought a rollie with a diamond. Almost got you the new G-Wagon. Got me messed up. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Run it, yeah. You tried it. Off the glass, damn. I just feel like Jordan, I was 23 calls. Then I paused and told that loser you should get lost. You should get the message, I'm gone. That's when he found out that I am the shit. You would dummy love